So I am back with another video. So I just wanted to update you guys on the results from today. So I'm gonna go into my FX book here, sponsored again by Forex.com. I am running this account on a Forex.com demo account. The leverage is 1 to 50. So just to be, transparent and just let you guys know, I am using the MetaTrader 4 platform. So as you can see today, let me see, looks like we went up another 1.02% on the account. Today it reached 5.1 pips, and another $510 was made today. Again, the objective with this particular bot is that the system, the algorithm is set to where essentially the bot will go for 5 pips and then basically take 100% at that 5 pips point. There's no trailing on this system, so just wanted to let you guys know that. So as of right now, we're 100%, 4 out of 4 trades. I will go ahead and say that today, because I didn't actually monitor the trade today. So I was using the NS strategy. I did look at the market this morning at Euro, but from what I could see, I just felt it best just to leave the bot on the NS strategy. So that way I didn't have to do any real technical analysis. It looked like the market could go either way, and I think the market ended up going up today. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up TradingView. Yep, so the market, the euro, pushed upwards today, and I think that's the exact trade that we got into, or that the bot got into today. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up TradeLocker here. And so as you can see, the balance is now up to $326.74 as far as profit. Let me go to the actual Euro USD chart. Today I didn't actually close early. I didn't, again, mess with it or anything like that. I actually kind of slept in, just kind of relaxed a little bit. So as you can see, the trade got in today, opened up as a buy, and then closed up there at the top. I'll try to zoom in a little bit so you guys can get a better view. Go down to the 5-minute chart here. And we're swing back. So it looks like the bot got right in on the continuation here. The RSI was looked like over here at 15 and went on ahead and pushed on up. So essentially when the RSI is below, I believe I have it, I kind of forgot, is typically when the RSI is below 10, that's when the bot on the oversold side, it will get into a buy position, given that the market has crossed the 4 and the 5 EMA. So that's a part of the algorithm there. And then as you can see, the bot went ahead and got in once it found that cross of the EMAs, and then went ahead and completed the trade at 5 pips. So as you can see today, net profit $220 on the euro buy, and again that is based off of the NS strategy set, which you can purchase for $500 off of Rain Financial. So anywho, just wanted to go over this data just to let you guys know and keep you guys updated on the progress of this new account. Again, just started this account on pretty much, I guess, January 30th, and we are up 4% in profit on the account, a total of $2,020 in profit, as you can see, for the year. And I guess technically on this month we're up $1,010. So everything is working well. Also too, the average trade length, 27 minutes on this account so far. Some people may be interested in that. But yeah, that's currently where we're sitting at. Total for the month of 1.98%. And here, the history of the trading activity, you can kind of see a little bit more detailed data here. It looks like the trade again today took only 2 minutes. So beautiful. So anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and close out of this video. And I actually may be thinking about adding a trailing stop. As you can see in the market continued to push up today. That's kind of how I had the bot originally. I had a system that it would go 5 pips, take 90%, and then it would trail. But unfortunately, the copy trader I was using just wasn't actually necessarily copying the trades the best. It wasn't copying the trailing stop very well. It would create a new order. So that's why I just decided to go for 5 pips and take 100% once it reached 5 pips. But if the markets continue to kind of move kind of like this, I would like to put a trailing stop just so that we can maximize the move, maximize profit. So again, thank you for tapping in on this video. I hope that this was insightful and informative. And if you have any questions, you can go ahead and book a consultation with me. And if you'd like to try the Rain Forex robot, you can always do so at the MQL5 marketplace. We do have the Rain Forex robot listed there. So see you in the next video. Thank you.